If Firefox is showing the PR_Connie CSE_reset error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back online. This error usually happens because of a VPN, proxy, antivirus, or even a bad browser cache setting, so we're going to work through the most effective solutions one by one. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. Let's jump in. First, disable your VPN if you're using one. A VPN can sometimes interfere with Firefox connections and trigger this error, so turn it off completely and then reload the page. If the problem is still there, the next thing to check is your proxy settings. Open your system or browser network settings and make sure any proxy is disabled. A misconfigured proxy can block secure connections and cause Firefox to reset the connection. Now, if the error is still appearing, temporarily disable your antivirus software. Some antivirus programs inspect secure traffic and can mistakenly block Firefox from reaching certain websites. Turn it off just long enough to test the site again, and if that fixes it, you may need to add Firefox to your antivirus exceptions later. Next, we're going to clear Firefox cache and cookies. This is one of the most common fixes because corrupted site data can cause connection issues. Open Firefox, then press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard. A clear browsing data window will appear. In the time range dropdown, select Everything. Then make sure Cookies and Cache are selected. Untick the other options so you only clear what's needed. Then click Clear. Once that's finished, close the browser and reopen it. Then test the website again. If you're still seeing PR_connect_reset_error, we'll move on to one more important setting. Click the menu button in the top right corner of Firefox, then click Settings. In the left panel, choose Privacy and Security. Scroll down until you find DNS over HTTPS. This feature can sometimes cause connection issues on certain networks, so click Advanced Settings. From there, select Off to disable it completely. After turning it off, refresh the page or restart Firefox and check the website again. In many cases, one of these steps will fix the problem right away. The most common culprits are VPNs, proxies, antivirus filtering, cache data, or DNS over HTTPS. By testing each one, you can quickly narrow down what's causing the reset error and get Firefox working normally again. If this video helped you fix the issue, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.